In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on or off Apple Maps directions. Wake device in iPhone. Alright, I'm on the home screen right now, and we're going to do this through settings by heading into Maps, opening spoken directions, and flipping the directions wake device toggle. First, I'm going to open the settings app, the grey gear icon. If you don't see it on the page you're on, just swipe left or right until you spot it. Once you see settings, go ahead and tap it to open. Okay, now settings is open and we need to go into apps. So at this point I'm scrolling down the list until I see apps. I'm moving steadily and watching the labels as they pass by. Alright, I see apps, so I'm tapping on apps. Now we're on the apps screen and we need to find maps. So at this point I'm scrolling through the list until I see maps. I'm going slowly so it's easy to spot. Alright, I see maps, so I'm tapping on maps. Now we're inside the map settings page. The next step is to scroll down and tap on spoken directions. So at this point I'm scrolling down within the map settings until I see spoken directions. Okay, I see it, so I'm tapping on spoken directions. Alright, now we're on the spoken directions screen. This is where Apple Maps voice guidance options live. On this page look for directions wake device and you'll see a toggle switch next to it. So at this point you can turn it on or off depending on what you want. If you want Apple Maps directions to wake your device, tap the toggle so it turns on and looks active. If you want to disable it, tap the toggle so it turns off and looks inactive. I'm tapping it now to set it to the option I prefer and you'll see it change immediately. There's no save button here, so the change applies right away. At this point you can tap back or exit settings whenever you're ready, and directions wake device will stay set the way you chose.